Hello and welcome to Greyhound Automotive. We have a 2018 Towmaster T-12d 2 5/16 ball. It's bolted on there, so if you want to convert it to pencil hitch, you can. 7-pin round connector, breakaway box, has a winch mount. The middle sides here, they are removable. There's D-rings all the way around. It's 20 feet long, flat, and then there's 3 foot of dovetail. LED lights. Tires are in good shape. Heavy duty ramps. And the GVW is 15,740. Online it says the trailer weighed 2,900 pounds, so approximately 11,000 pounds you can carry on this trailer.